Today we're going to unbox and take a first look at the Beatbot AquaSense pool cleaner. So I've been using the AquaSense bot for a little over a month now, and I have to say it is my favorite pool cleaner robot. I've used them in the past and I actually ditched them maybe after about 2 weeks. This one I'm planning on using all summer long. Let me go through some quick pros and cons. First off, I love the battery life. I love how easy it was to set up. That is connected to Wi-Fi, so you can push updates really easily. You get notifications when the battery is running low, and it's super easy to clean, well made, looks good. You can use it while you're in the pool. A quick con of mine actually is that the Wi-Fi, if you don't have Wi-Fi that covers your pool area while the bot is cleaning, you'll miss those notifications. But it's not that big of a deal. My pool, for example, I have Wi-Fi over where the charger is, but I do not have Wi-Fi when it's in the pool itself. Not a big problem though, I just come out and check on it. Besides the 3 modes that you get with this model, you also have 3 motors, 15 smart sensors, a 6700 milliampere hour battery, 1 filter, and a 2-liter capacity filter basket. You get 3 cleaning modes: quick, standard, and custom, and actually recently a beta mode just popped up in the app for me as well. With the custom, you can set up how many times it cleans the floor of your pool along with the walls. I found the battery life works really well for my pool size. I can do a couple hour cleaning session which cleans the pool every single time. The mobile app is very intuitive to use, looks great too. Now there are differences obviously between the Pro model and this version we have here. There's things like more motors, more sensors, different modes. But more importantly, the Pro version can do a larger pool. It has a larger battery, it has more cleaning functions and motors and sensors, and it has a larger basket. But this AquaSense model that we have here is perfect for my pool. It does a great job cleaning the floor. And with that, we are done with our first look of the AquaSense Beatbot robot pool cleaner. Thank you for joining. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. We are out.